Hello, everyone. Welcome to our open house. This is our physics PLC presentation. And my name is Mrs. Haldar, and I teach the regular and the AP physics classes here. So let's take a look at what's going on for those two programs here at Warren High. Let's go in the presentation mode. So our physics PLC basically is a really small, tiny little PLC because there are just only two teachers here. And let me move ahead in the slide. So this is myself teaching the AP program and the regular physics program, where Miss Tenberg, she teaches the conceptual physics program. And she has her own presentation, and we'll take you through them separately. It's a different PowerPoint presentation. So for the AP Physics, as we know, the College Board AP tests are upon us. It's the first week of May. And so my goal every year is to get done by end of March, maybe first week of April. That leaves us enough time to go over, review, and get ready for the big day. And so these are the topics that we need to cover second semester. We are on tab 3, rotational dynamics, kind of wrapping it up, and then we'll be left with 3 more to finish. So as you can see, it's a sprint to the end point at this point. Okay, so let's move on. For the regular physics, it's not as fast-paced as the AP classes. We are covering, as per the NGSS, we are trying to cover as laid out by that standard. So we are working on static electricity. We've just started on static electricity. Physics, the fun of physics lays in working out in the classroom, playing with the tools and the equipments. And so unfortunately, this is a very strange year, but it's a difficult year for the students and teachers alike, but we are trying to make the best of the situation. So I'll walk you through all the additional resources that we have been using this year to make up for the lack of being physically present in the classroom. All right, let's move on. So typical classwork assignment, of course, it's going to vary between the AP classes and the regular classes, as you can imagine. The workload is much more in the AP class. We have a lot more to cover in a little bit of a less time. But in general, our lectures are, of course, through Zoom this year. I try to make the notes, the PowerPoint notes, available to the students and on the Canvas modules, so they can work alongside, and it saves time. You don't have to copy down everything. And besides that mode of, lecture, we also have online lessons. So we typically use these different websites. We are using Khan Academy. Physics Classroom is a really helpful website. We do a lot of homework off that. And then for the regular class, we are using CK12 lessons. Because we don't have any labs this year, we are depending on online simulations only. And Gizmos actually has a pretty good set of labs that we are doing this year. For the regular class, we've done a project. For the AP class, we will be doing a project after the AP tests are over. And then the regular class will be doing one more project in semester 2. Pear Deck has been used a lot since second semester as I learned how to use it. It makes it a lot more interactive. Students are able to answer my questions, and I'm able to see them real time. And so that's a great feedback for both the students and the teachers. All right, moving on. So in general, I would say the resources for our students in terms of getting help for physics would be to reach out for me or Ms. Tunberg during office hours. And our office hours are every single day during the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, we have it from 2 to 3 p.m. And Wednesdays are from 9:10 to 10:10 a.m. All right, and the links are provided right on the home pages, just in case students are trying to figure out what the links are for our office hours. It's right there where all the Zoom links are on the home page. The office hours Zoom links are also on that same table. And let's move on. Additional resources. Well, there is a library, and of course, the virtual resource center, the social emotional learning support happens on Wednesdays in terms of several classes that are given during that day. So here is a list of those different classes that are available to the students, and this is all available off their Canvas class page. And so, like I was saying, how we had to depend on many other resources, specifically the online resources this year. So we have been using programs like the quizzes and the Ed Puzzle, and just to engage students and to make available the same teaching as we would in physical. And of course, it's not the same. And yeah, it would be really wonderful to go back to our classroom. So on that note, I hope you have a great time during our open house and hope to see you maybe in person soon.